Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about Brazil, one of the most fascinating countries in the world. Brazil is located in South America and it is the largest country on the continent. It is famous for its beautiful nature, unique culture, and energetic lifestyle.
Geography and nature. Brazil is known for its diverse and nature. One of the most famous national and attraction is the Amazon rainforest which cover more than half of the country. The Amazon is the largest rainforest in the world and is home to thousands of ancient and animal species.
Famous city Rio de Janeiro, famous for carote, remember and is research. You should visit those mountains for amazing view. Sao Paulo, the largest city and economic center, acre local market and scientists foreign food from his diverse concern.
Sport. Brazil is crazy about football. It has produced some of the best players in history. If ever I watch a football match at a local stadium, it's loud, exciting, and full of energy.
Culture and people. Brazilian people are friendly and warm, with a culture mixed from indigenous European and African influence. Carnival is a famous festival. It dancing and samba music, a mass experience event. Brazil is also the birthplace of samba and bossa nova, and learning a few samba steps can be fun and energetic.
Food, Brazilian food is delicious. One of the national dishes is feijoada, a stew made with beans and pork. One of the national is you should also sign powder cake with RCC bread bun that everyone live. If I were you, I would miss signing a sai roast with a very popular in Brazil and are perfect for hot weather.
Travel tip. Learn basic how to keep pack rice, food, and drink a raincoat for the Amazon. Be careful with your